knowing what key was what. So I'm gonna show you guys a little project I'm gonna do, that way I can find my keys on my keychain every time. I'm gonna paint one of them red and one of them blue. First this is a sanding block right here, and I'm going to rub the key on this, sanding it back and forth. That way when I paint them, the nail polish will not come off immediately. It'll last like 5-10 years. Sand the key real good back and forth. Do both sides and the side of it. A long time ago I spray painted it, but it's been about 6-7 years and it came off. You can see I sanded the key real good. Didn't take long on there. It's real shiny now. Wipe it off with something. You don't have to go crazy and wash it. And then all I'm doing is putting the red part above the key. You don't want to put it anywhere where the key gets inserted into the door. So you could probably stop like right there, because you don't want that nail polish ever peeling off inside of the lock that it's supposed to go into. So I'm going to do one side on each key, and then we're going to wait for them to dry. Paint both sides. I actually wanted this key red and that one blue, so I had to switch colors. And then in about like 20 minutes, I'm gonna flip them over, and then I'm gonna paint the other side, and I should be good for a long time with this nail polish. If for some reason it chips away on you guys, I have used spray paint, and that works great.